Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. As I said in yesterday's vlog, I am going to have a very chatty, homey video coming up today. As I am going to be working later, I just thought I'd have a bit of a chill, have a little bit of a chat in my room, just in my house. I really love these sort of vlogs. I always love watching homey vlogs in the evening because it like helps calm my anxiety down and makes me very like chilled and in a good mood. So yeah, that's why I like still making these homey vlogs. Sorry if you're not into me just sitting in my house and having chats about things, but I don't know, I just think it's quite honest and real. Like, I'm not up to exciting things every single day. And yeah, so I've just filmed a video for What Uni this morning, giving my best like results day and clearing advice when that time comes around, because it's actually approaching very quickly. And yeah, I'm just sort of like preparing lots of content that I'm going to be sharing in August. I am going away, like I said yesterday, with my family on Saturday, and then I've got like a whole week full of shit because I'm in Hemsby for 5 days and then I've got summer in the city for 3 days. So yeah, I've got a lot planned and coming up, so I need to pre-film a lot of uni content because I want to get it all out. I also want to know what you guys want to win because I'm going to be doing my back to school, back to uni giveaways. I think I'm going to try and do 3 again if I can afford it, but if not, I will just do 1 and hopefully it will help someone out. I just think it's really nice to give someone like a fresh kit of like stationery and supplies that they'll need for school or sixth form or uni, because not everyone can like afford that. And I mean, I couldn't really, to be honest. I just sort of, I don't know, I've got the money, like I'm working now and I've got money to give and I just want people to be happy. And I don't know, I feel like a fresh set of stationery is always a good start to the year. So I hope I give one of you guys, or maybe 3 if possible, something like that for September. So yeah. I've got a parcel to deliver, so I might go do that soon. And yeah, I've just literally been sitting eating cereal and planning videos all morning, so nothing too exciting. What else was I going to say? But yeah, no, I'm going to put you on the side for a chat because I did say yesterday that I was going to have a chat about what I'm excited about for second year, and I thought I'd just sit here and give some positive give you some positive energy regarding my second year at uni. As you guys all know, I am so excited to go back to Lincoln. Like, I already want to go back now. I just want to be with my best friends like 24/7. It was so fun and I just want to make the most of second year now. I am nervous because obviously second year counts and will go towards like my final degree, so that is a little bit of pressure, but I'm trying to like push that aside and think of all the positive things that are going to come out of second year. Like in first year I have grown so much in confidence and my independence has significantly grown because I was so like dependent on others when I was at sixth form and just back at home. I think it was because I had this lack of confidence that I just felt like I had to depend on other people. But now I just feel so much better in myself since I've gone to uni. I've learned so many things about me and other people and how I am with others and just worked on myself. So yeah, university has been a great experience for me and I hope it is for you guys who are going in September too, because I literally have learned so much about myself. I think I'm going to write a blog post on things that I have learned from my first year at uni, because I feel like it'll be nice to like type up and reflect on my year. But yeah, second year, number 1 most excited thing is obviously me moving into my new house. I get questions every day saying, are you going to do moving in vlogs? Like, are you going to vlog in your new house? Yes. Like, I'm literally going to be putting up tours of the house once we've got all of our decorations. I'm going to be filming mine, Hattie and Megan's shopping trips, like us getting all the decorations for the kitchen and the lounge and ourselves and just all the food shops and all things like that. Like, I'm going to be doing exactly like I was in first year, but probably even more now that I have my own house and I'm comfortable with my flatmates, like Megan and Hattie. I don't know why I call them flatmates because they're my besties. Before, obviously, I had flatmates and I didn't feel so comfortable around them, so it'll be nice. There'll be 3 of us in a house and I'll just be able to vlog every day, and yeah, it's just gonna be really exciting. I am also super excited to start my course because let's have a look. Actually, I'm going to tell you guys what my modules are for next year, just in case anyone else is wondering or cares. Let's have a look. Right, so my modules for year 2, I don't know which ones I'm going to get in first semester and which ones I'm going to get in the second semester, but obviously I'll have 4 and 4 again. I think it works out the same anyway. Yeah, it does. So in my first semester, I'm just assuming that they've put it in order. I have trace evidence as a module, which I'm super excited about. It says that It includes the importance of trace materials such as hair fibres, glass, latent fingerprints as evidence, their detection, recovery, analysis and interpretation of results. So I'm going to be looking at transfer and persistence of trace materials, and I think that's something I'm going to look forward to. I just find that really interesting. Obviously I'm going to develop my microscopic skills a little bit more and get more confident on the microscope, which will be great. I have advanced CSI. Oh, I'm so excited for that. I literally am obsessed with my CSI module that I just did. However, my lecturer's pregnant, so we're obviously going to get someone different, and it's going to be a bit gutting because obviously my old lecturer was a CSI herself. Like, she did part-time CSI and part-time lecturer, so we had like proper like primary resource of information from her, if you know what I mean. But I'm still sure that I'm going to enjoy the course because we're going to be able to use the crime scene house a lot more. I have molecular biology, which doesn't sound too interesting, if you know what I mean, but some of it will cross over from A level again, I guess, because we did do some molecular biology then, and I guess I'm gonna have to do some more basics. Like, it's obviously not as specific, but yeah, molecular biology might not be too bad. Then I have analytical chemistry 2.1 separation techniques. I don't want to look at that, the little information about it, because that does not sound good. And then I have analytical chemistry 2.2, which is structural techniques. That doesn't sound so boring, but still not something that I particularly enjoy doing. So yeah, I've got that to look forward to. Sick! Right, so I have a human identification module. This sounds sick. Students will be introduced to forensic anthropology. This is like one of the areas that I really love about forensics, so I'm so excited about this. It says, before embarking on an intense series of lectures and practical sessions covering the methods used to estimate a biological profile, sex, ancestry, age and stature estimation. So I'll be looking at, like, for example, like if I see a skeleton, I'll be able to tell its age. Really interesting things that I can look at when I like look at bones and stuff. And we have bones, like fake ones and I think real ones at our uni. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm really excited for human identification, but I'm assuming that's going to be in semester B, which is sad. I don't know. I have no idea. And then I've got my two more professional practice modules. In first year, I did crime scene to court and then forensic lab analysis. This year I have scientific experimental design. I hope my face shows how I feel about that. And then I have quality assurance and regulation. Also not very interesting. No, it should be okay, but it says that continuing from level 1, professional practice modules will be developing on IT skills, statistics and mathematics. So that's sort of what their modules both entail. Yeah, and like scientific literature and things like that. So I've got that to look forward to. Yeah, that's what I'm sort of looking forward to, the trace evidence and human identification, because they're more like forensics orientated, like proper specific. But yeah, I'm still excited for like the biology module because I do enjoy studying biology and like revising for it. I don't know. And then other things that I'm excited for second year, I'm excited to make the most out of it because now I feel like I'm going to be so much calmer, like going to uni. Not that I was really panicked last year because I was super excited to go and start afresh. I think there was like nerves on the actual day, whereas going back this year, I don't think I'm going to be nervous at all. I know exactly what first like university is all about. Like I know where everything is, I know what I'm doing, like, so it's not going to be so much pressure and craziness, and I just want to sort of help people and get back into it and just get back into a nice routine-ish. I also want to make the most of my second year. Like I want to go out more, like do more things and just let loose, you know. Just want to have a good time. And now that I know like where my favourite clubs are, where my favourite places to eat out, where I like to go in the evenings and things that I like to do, it's just really nice. And also there's a new, like, I don't know if they've announced what it is yet, but there's like a new shops being built in the high street, so maybe we'll find out what they are soon. I'm also excited to be going back to my university job, which is just writing articles from my room essentially, but I'm excited to get involved. I really want to go to some of the meetings because they always used to clash with my lectures, which is so shit, but hopefully I'll be able to go to some of these meetings and meet some like-minded people who enjoy blogging and vlogging. I'm also going to be vlogging for the uni, so that's something that's I'm also looking forward to. I'm looking forward to fresh freshers, like both in the evening and like the freshers fair and getting all the deals. I'm gonna make the most out of the deals. If there's one thing I'm telling you first year students that are going into Lincoln or just anywhere in September, is please make the most of the freshers discounts, because you will literally hate yourself like a few months down the line when your discounts have all run out and you haven't made the most of them. Like, because I had quite a bit of money at the start of term, I was like, oh, I'll be fine, like, and I just didn't really think about using the discounts, whereas I know how hard money gets, especially in second semester, so I feel like I'm gonna be using all the discounts and everything that I get to its full advantage. I really want to develop, like, this isn't really something I'm looking forward to, but I want to develop my social skills. Like, I feel like I'm good around people, but when I've come home from uni, I feel very like cold towards people, and I don't know why that is. Like, I just feel very angry and just, I don't know, I feel like maybe I've become more opinionated or like stronger in my opinions since I've come to uni, and I just get very like agitated easily. So I kind of want to work on that and become a better person, because I feel like I can't hold my opinions into myself. Like, I'm very open and just so I kind of want to work on that. I'm also excited to decorate my room in our house. And yeah, I'm sort of not looking forward to that we're a little bit further away from the uni and I couldn't wake up like 5 minutes before my lecture. I'm gonna have to wake up a lot before. But it's fine, I'll get used to it, and yeah, I'm just really excited, so I'm not going to sit here and bore you anymore, and and then I will chat to you when I get on with something a bit better. I've just been out with Mum and just got some food. We're just about to go to my nan's just to drop off a newspaper, bless them. I guess it's almost time for me to go to work, but I completely forgot. I filmed part of David's birthday during the week, and then I didn't really do anything for the rest of the evening, and I forgot to film. So I'm gonna insert these clips here just so we have like the memories of David's birthday. Obviously none of you guys might care, but basically it was my brother's 17th, and we just spent it as like a family, really. Me and David were just chilling throughout the day, and I gave him his presents in the morning, and yeah, I'll put the clips in here. So it's my brother's birthday today, so I thought I'd vlog, capture the memories. I feel like, yeah, I vlogged David's birthday last year. If you want to go watch that, I'll leave it down below. I'm not sure if you'd want to. I actually really like that vlog because I think it's one where me and Sophie did something during the day as well. So if you want to watch that, I'll leave it down below. Today David's 17, which now means he can drive. My mum and dad have got him driving lessons, I think, for his birthday. Everyone's working basically. My mum and dad are working, so I'm just here with Dave. I'm going to give him all like the presents and cards from everyone, and we'll go watch him open them. So I've literally just got back from work. I completely forgot to say that I was going earlier. It was all sort of a bit of a rush after me and Mum went to go get some food. But yeah, I'm super tired. I've got this banging headache, so I'm going to head to bed soon. But I really want to watch Love Island because the parents went in tonight and I haven't seen any tweets. Yeah, so I'm just going to watch that before I go to bed and have a lie-in, I think, tomorrow, because I'm then working 2:30 till about 9 o'clock. So yeah, not looking forward to that. I also uploaded a blog post about these 3 skincare products that I've really loved at the minute. So if anyone wants to go read that, then I'll leave it down below. I'm just going to sit on my bed, drink my flavoured water, have a nibble on these dry roasted peanuts, and catch up on Love Island. Woohoo! Thank you very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you did enjoy this really homey, chatty vlog. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you on I'll see you on Wednesday because I'm vlogging Tuesday. Me and Megan are going to go up to see Hattie for the day, and we've got a lot of things planned, so hopefully you'll enjoy that vlog, as I know you guys like when you see me and my best friends together. And yeah, I'll see you Wednesday. Bye!